How to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add a WhatsApp link in your TikTok account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add a WhatsApp link to TikTok, first of all go ahead and copy your WhatsApp account link. So maybe you want to copy the link of a specific group, or maybe you actually want to copy the link of your profile. Whatever the case may be, just make sure to copy the link. In this case I'll go to a group and then I'll just select invite to group via link, and then I'll just copy a specific WhatsApp link. Now once I copy a link, what I will do is now I will just go ahead and then open up my TikTok app. Once I open my TikTok application, I'll just come to my profile page from the bottom right. Once I come to my profile page, I will tap on edit profile, and once I tap on edit profile, here you'll find the option called website. Just tap on website and then just cross out this link that you have, which is the current link, and then just go ahead and then paste the link that we actually just copied in this case. Once you paste the new link, tap on the save button, and once you tap on save option, just go ahead and exit it. So when people basically tap on that link, they'll be redirected to that specific link as well. And this is it on how you can go ahead and then add WhatsApp link to your TikTok bio. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.